When you hear the phrase raising the bar, what comes to mind? For some, it's scoring higher, achieving more, or pushing limits. But what if raising the bar wasn't just about being better? It's about being kinder. Let me ask you something. Have you ever heard a song that made you feel understood? Maybe lifted you up on a bad day, or maybe helped you understand someone's story in a new way? That's the power of music. It doesn't just entertain us, it connects us. Music is a universal language. You don't have to speak the same words to feel the same emotion. A melody, a beat, a lyric can carry empathy from one person to another. And in a world where it's easy to misunderstand each other, that kind of connection is powerful. For me, music has always been more than something I listen to. It's something I feel. When I hear songs about struggle, hope, or joy, I start to understand perspectives beyond my own. And that's where kindness begins, with understanding. Imagine what would happen if we used music as a tool for empathy. When we share songs that tell meaningful stories, we're not just sharing sound, we're sharing experiences. We're saying, this matters, this is worth listening to. And when we listen, truly listen, we grow. Think about a choir, a band, or a group of friends creating a playlist. They all bring something different to the table, but have to come together to create something meaningful. That takes teamwork, it takes leadership, it takes creativity. In those moments, you learn how to not just listen to music, but to each other. You learn how to support each other, how to step up when needed, and how to create something bigger than yourself. These are the same skills that you can use in our schools, communities, and our world to be more kind. And here's how we raise the bar. What if we share songs that inspire positivity instead of negativity? And what if we use songs that brought us together instead of dividing us? Raising the bar doesn't have to start off as something huge. It can start off as something small. It could be as simple as sending a friend or that group chat a song that reminds you of them. You know, on Snap, Insta, or anything in between. When we do that, we're not just hearing music, we're hearing each other. And when we hear each other, we start to care. And when we care, we act. And when we act, we create change. So today, I challenge all of us to raise the bar. Let's use music to inspire, to build connections, and to create a culture of kindness that's impossible to be ignored. Thank you.